Well, you're back. We haven't scared you off. Today we are talking about scanning your photos. You have all these neatly arranged boxes, these batches of pictures from each year. Now it's time to digitize them, and we're going to talk about a few scanning options that are available. So first of all, let's bring out our FlipPal mobile scanner. This scanner really works nicely because it doesn't need a plug-in, it's battery operated, and you can take it anywhere. If you click above on the link, we actually give an in-depth demonstration of how to use this. You just flip the cover up. I turned it on already, and you put your picture in and close the cover, and then you scan it. And as the scanner is working, you'll actually see a little picture of it appearing on the screen here. It's so fast and easy. You can do this while watching TV, and you can order it online for less than $200. The picture saves to a camera card. You just pop the camera card into your computer. You will need to edit some of the pictures because it scans the whole screen, but boom, it's done. All right, so that's scanning option number one. If you have 2,000 pictures or more, or even 400 pictures, this would take a long time. That brings up the second option that will also take a long time, and that's your printer scanner. Printer scanners are slow. Many times people don't know what settings to use. Pictures should be scanned at 600 dots per inch, maybe 300, but we recommend 600 dots per inch, and they should be saved as a JPEG. That's a type of computer file. Another way you can save it is as TIFFs, and if you're editing pictures heavily, you probably know what a TIFF is and why that would be important. So we recommend 600 dots per inch and a JPEG. Now, your printer scanner has settings, and sometimes people don't even know how to maneuver through those settings. Watch for the dots per inch and JPEG, and you should be set. Do not scan your pictures as PDFs. It's so hard to work with them in the future. So JPEG 600 dots per inch. Printer scanners are no fun. So for your larger batches of photos, you want a high-speed scanner. I'm just going to demonstrate what this looks like here at Pixology. I'm going to set this batch here a second. And I've got these pictures. It's a variety of them. And we use the Kodak Alaris picture saver scanning system. And it's awesome. You just put the picture in the top and it feeds right in. And I have it set for 600 dots per inch. And as the picture scans, it shows up on the screen and I know I'm good. So let's just get these through. And that is how we scan thousands and thousands of photos. Bad news, Kodak Alaris not producing these scanners anymore, which is disappointing. There is a company, Easy Photo Scan, that was renting them. Not sure how that's working during the shutdown. So your option, if you want your own high-speed photo scanner, is in the Epson Fastfoto line. I believe they're at 660 and 680. I'll put some pictures up. Those scanners work well. We've helped a couple of our clients who've bought them use it, and it scans pictures pretty nicely, speedily, and that's good. So the big question is well, how do you get those pictures to be named so that it makes sense? On your printer scanner, there should be a setting, Save To. So you have to pick the folder that you're saving it to. We want to name the folder the same as the batch of photos. So here's my 1977 photos. I'm going to name the folder 1977, and then ideally your scanning software will name the pictures that go inside it the same thing with the numbers. So if this is 1977 photos, this would be 1977 photos 1, 1977 photos 2, 3. You get the idea. So they all have 1977 on them. So that's how we name pictures. It's part of the process of scanning the batch. And When you're done, you end up with folders on your computer. These folders can then be imported into your photo organizing software, the one that you choose to use, or you can just have your folders in your pictures file. We like to create the Forever Online account, which you'll hear more about, and then each folder becomes an album where people can find their pictures. Last thing, you might be one of the people out there who thinks, I don't want to have anything to do with scanning, and that's okay too. We can do it here at Pixology, or you can ship them off to an online provider. We like to recommend Forever. We're ambassadors for them, so there's information below if you would like to do that. Be sure that you do track your packages. It's a little scary to send things away, especially your precious memories, so watch that. All right. That's it for scanning. I hope this is helpful. Please leave your comments or questions down below and we'll try to answer them. In the meantime, stay well and we'll see you soon.